Jai Ho students, before starting our today's class, let me tell you, see numbers from 1 to 100. Daily you have to practice 10 numbers along with number names. Okay, suppose if you practice 1 to 10 numbers along with number names, tomorrow again 11 to 20. So I will also give you homework. Okay, same homework I will give you. So till 100, first standard children, 1 to 100 numbers along with number names you have to practice. Spellings of those number names. Okay, once if you become perfect in that 1 to 100 numbers along with number names, then you can go for 101 to 200. Okay, daily again 10 numbers along with number names. Okay, let us start our today's class. Very simple examples I will take here. Okay, single digit and 2 digit and 3 digit numbers I will take. So just understand the concept. This is also revision class. Place and face value. Okay, see the pronunciation. Place and face value. Okay, before starting this class, let me tell you one story. What? Story. Okay, so there are two people. One is father, another one is son. Father name is Anthony and that son name is Tony. Anthony and Tony. Okay, so these two goes to same school. They goes to the same school. Okay, and in school, father and that Anthony and Tony's relation is teacher and student. What? Relation between Anthony and Tony is not father and son. Okay, teacher and student. Okay, so Tony is student in that school and Anthony is a teacher. Okay, so see the difference. When both father and son are there in the school, their relation is teacher and student. If they come back to the home, okay, then their relation changes. Again, in home, they are father and son. What? They are father and son. When they are in the school, teacher and relation between Anthony and Tony is teacher and student. And when they are in the home, their relation is father and son relation. Okay, getting my point? Here also, in place value and face value, here place value will change according to its places. Okay, how the relation changes father and son when they are in the home. When they are in the school, teacher and a student. Like that, place value changes according to the places. Here, in this story, home is one place and school is another place. Home is one place and school is another place. So like this, place value will change according to the places, whether it is units or ones, or tens, or hundreds, or thousands. Okay, so we learn only single digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Okay, place value and face values of single digit, 2 digit and 3 digits. Okay, so here face value, it will not change. The value, face value is the number itself. Okay, number itself is the face value of that particular digit. Okay, I will tell you. I will take examples and I will explain you now. Okay, and to understand place and face value, one more video in our last class, we have did one video on this place value and face value. You can go through that video also. I have taken 3 toys. बाइक, whistle and bicycle का video you can watch once again to understand place and face value. And this story is a very good example to understand place and face value. Difference between place and face value. Okay, let us take examples. We'll start from single digits. Okay. Let me take first example, that is 2. 2, it is a single digit number. Okay. So here place of this 2 digit. Okay. Digit 2 is what? Ones. What it is? Ones. Place value of this 2 is ones. Okay. So you can write here also. Here you can write 2. That is place value of this 2 is ones. Okay. Then let me take one more example. That is 8. It is also a single digit number. Place value of this digit is, if single digit is there, only ones will come. Ones or units you can say. Both are same. Ones. Place of this digit is ones. It is in ones place. Ones or you can say units. Okay. So like this, if single digits are there, then their place value is, then their place is ones or units. Let us take 2 digit numbers. How many digits? 2 digit numbers. First one 32. 32, it is a 2 digit number. Count 1, 2. 2 digits are there. So here this 2 is in which place? Yes, you are right. It is in ones place or units place. Both are same. 2 is in ones place. And this 3 is in ones tens. 30. 3 tens are there. In this 30, how many tens are there? 3 tens are there. So this 3 is in tens place. Which place? Tens place. 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens plus 2 ones. Together we will get 32. Getting, my dear children? Hope you are understanding. If you not understand, replay this video and you can watch. How many tens are there in this 30? 3 10 ka groups are there. In each bundle 10 ka groups are there. Assume that 3 bunch of chocolates are there with you. Okay, 3 different chocolates are there. In each group 10 chocolates are there. Like this, how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. In each group 10 chocolates are there. In first type of chocolates, say for example Milky Bar, 10 chocolates are there. In second, again 10 chocolates are there, Dairy Milk. In third one, again Parle-G, 10 chocolates are there. Like this, we have 30 chocolates. Each group is having 10 chocolates. Like this, 3 tens are there. In this 30, 3 tens are there. Plus, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. Getting? So, 30 plus 2, 32. Like this number will form. Okay? 30 plus 2, 32. Let me take one more example. Let us take 81. What it is? 81. It is also a 2-digit number. Okay, this 1 is in ones place or units place. It is in ones or units place. And this 8 is in tens place. Ones, tens. If here one more digit is there, then that is in hundreds place. I will tell you that also. This 8 is in tens place. Okay. Now here you can see how many tens are there. 8 tens are there. 10 ka 8 groups. In this first group, 10 ka 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4, 5, like this. Total 10 groups are there. 8 groups are there. Sorry, 8 groups are there. Okay. So 10 ka 8 groups. You can assume those groups are nothing but your favorite chocolates, or else your favorite fruits, or else chapati, roti. You can take your choice. Okay. You can assume that either they are chocolates or fruits, or they are chalk piece or pencil or pen. Okay. So like this, how many tens ka groups are there? 8. Tens ka how many groups are there? 8. How many? 8 tens ka groups are there. Plus ones, only one group is there. Ones ka only one group. So here you can see 8 into 10, 80 plus 1, 80 plus 1, 81. This is our answer. This 81 will form like this. So 10 ka 8 groups, ones ka 1 group. Only one is there. Only one single digit is there. 1 ka only one digit. 80 plus 1, 81. Let me take one more example. That is 50. Let us take one more example. It is also a 2-digit number, 50. Okay. So this 0 is in ones or units place. Okay. This 0 is in ones or units place, and this 5 is in tens place. Which place? Tens place. Okay. Now here 10 ka how many groups are there? 5 groups. 10 ka 5 groups are there, and plus ones ka 0 groups. Nothing. 0 means here we don't have any value. Okay. So that is tens, 5 tens groups are there, plus 0 ones groups are there. Means here digit is not there. 0 means nil, nothing. Okay, empty. So 5 tens ka groups plus 0 ones ka group. Okay, 5 into 50. Sorry, 5 into 10, 50 plus 0 into 1. If we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 only as our answer. Plus 0, 50 plus 0, we are not adding anything. So, we will get 50 only. So, like this 50 will form 5 tens ka groups plus 0 1 ka group. 50 plus 0, 50. Hope you are understanding. Okay, let me take now 3-digit numbers. How many digits? Yes, 3 digits. That is 125. 125. It is a 3-digit number. This 5 is in ones place, and 2 is in tens place. 2 is in tens place, and this 3 is in. So you have to, while writing the place values or places of these digits, start from your right side. Don't start from your right left side. Don't say this as ones, tens. It will remain same, hundreds. But that is wrong way of reading places or place values of these digits. Okay, start from your right side. Don't start from your left side. So this 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and this 1 is in hundreds place. Which place? Hundreds place. Okay. Now 5 ka how many ones groups are there? Okay. Here you can see. Let me start from here. 1. Okay. So this is it. This result is in hundreds place. So how many hundreds groups are there? Only one group is there. 100 ka only one group. We are making hundreds group. One group means in that 100 toys are there. Assume that 100 toys are there, 100 chocolates are there, 100 fruits are there. It is left to you. Okay. So how many groups are there? Hundreds ka only one group. How many? Only one group. Which group? Hundreds group. Plus tens ka how many groups are there? 2. In this column 10 chocolates, and in second column again 10 chocolates. Like this 2 groups are there. 2 ka how many 10 ka how many groups are there? 2. Okay. Plus 5 ka 5. Ones ka 5 groups. Plus 5 how many? Ones groups. 5 ones group. Separate. Okay, 5 different chocolates you have. Assume that you have 5 different chocolates, or 5 different toys, or 5 different pens, or 5 different pencils, single. Okay, ones means separate. So 5 ones groups, 2 tens groups, and 1 hundreds groups. So then 1 into 100, 100, plus 2 into 10, 20, plus 5 into 1, 5. So 100 plus 20, 120. 100 plus 20, 120, plus 5, 125. 125. Getting? So like this we will learn place values of 3-digit numbers. See how I am pronouncing, how I am reading this number. 125. Like this. 125. Let me take one more example. 568. 568. This 8 is in ones place. O means ones. 6 is in tens place, and this 5 is in hundreds place. Okay. So now here you can see 8 ones are there, 6 tens are there. 10 ka group 6 are there, and 5 hundreds ka groups. Hundreds ka 5 groups are there. In each group 100 toys, 100 fruits, or 100 students. Okay, 100 boys, 100 girls. Okay, like this you can assume. So hundreds ka how many groups are there? 5. Tens ka 6 groups. Ones ka separate 8 groups. So 8 ones are there. Here groups are not there. 8 ones are there. So here 5 hundreds ka groups plus 6 tens ka groups plus 8 ones ka groups. Okay. So 5 into 100 multiply 500 plus 6 into 10 60 plus 8 into 1 8. Okay. So 500 plus 60 560 560 plus 8 568. This is your answer. Okay. So like this, hundreds ka how many groups are there? 5 groups we have. Okay, here 100 ka 5 groups. Those groups you can assume that mangoes, 100 mangoes in first group. Again in second group again 100 mangoes. Again in third group 100 mangoes. Like this 5 hundreds ka groups, 6 tens ka groups. So 10 10. Like this how many groups are there? 6 groups are there. 8 ones separate. So like this, separate 8 ones calculates. Okay, so this is not necessary. Okay, don't worry about this method or this solution. So whether we have to solve this or what, don't worry about this. So for your purpose, I am solving this. Okay, I am solving and explaining you. Okay, so just understand. Start from your right side. 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. If here suppose one more digit is there, then that is thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Like this. Okay, you don't worry about this thousands place. Just understand ones, tens and hundreds. Only 3-digit numbers. Place and face values of 3-digit numbers. Now, how to understand face value? Okay, how to identify, how to find face value of the digits in the given number. So let me take one example. Here 5 is the single digit number. Face value of this 5 is 5 only. Okay, so one more example. If 0 is there, face value of this 0 is 0 only. Okay, then one more example. 29 is there. Face value of this 9 is 9 only. Okay, face value will not change. Face value of 9 is 9 only. Then here face value of FV means face value of 2 is 2 only. Okay, getting? So let me take one more example. 3-digit number. Okay, fourth one. Now I am taking 3-digit number. Here face value of this 8 is 8 only. Face value of 7 is 7 only. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay, it is not related to this place value. 8 face value of 8 is 8. 7 is 7, 6 is 6, irrespective of their places. Irrespective of their places. This 8 is in ones place, even though face value of 8 is 8 only. This 7 is in tens place, but face value of this digit is 7 only, that number itself. Face value of 6 is 6 only, even though it is in hundreds place. Okay, here suppose if here 7 is there, then face value of this 7 is 7 only. Okay, we will not consider in which place these digits are there. We will not consider in which place these digits are there. Okay, getting my point? So just understand place and face values of the digits in the given number. Single digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. Don't worry about 4 digits. Okay, if you not understand, replay this video and try to understand place and face value. Okay. And don't worry about your studies. We are there with you.